Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set back tap to turn on or turn off Classic Invert on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. Next in here, scroll down and then tap on Touch. From here, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Back Tap. Now in here, you could choose Double Tap or Triple Tap. I'm going to select Double Tap. And in here, scroll down to the Accessibility section and tap on Classic Invert. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now to turn on Classic Invert, you could use this shortcut here, double tap to turn on the Classic Invert. To switch it off, you can double tap on it again. That will allow you to toggle the Classic Invert to off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.